Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus 2lnx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 1 over s, so we have 2 over s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so I will need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. ds over s we change for this one. So the integration of u to the power of 4, that is about u to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. And this one we have number 5. So number 5 with number 2, that is about number 10. U that is about this one. And that is the final answer. Question number 2. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So u square that is about 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 5e to the power of s ds. Because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. The square root that is about u. This one that is about this one. So this one that is about number 1. The integration of this one that is about u. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.